Impact Affiliate Network Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform and top programs are in the description. Now let's get started. Impact is a powerful affiliate network designed for both beginners and advanced marketers who want access to premium brands and advanced tracking tools. Unlike traditional networks, Impact operates as a partnership management platform, giving affiliates more control over their relationships with advertisers. It features a modern, user-friendly dashboard with real-time reporting, automated payout management, and advanced tracking capabilities, making it one of the most sophisticated platforms in the industry. One of Impact's standout features is the ability to negotiate commissions directly with brands. Many merchants offer performance-based incentives, allowing affiliates to increase their earnings over time. The platform also supports deep linking, making it easy to promote specific products instead of general landing pages. Another key feature is the automated contract system, which streamlines the approval process and eliminates the need for manual agreements. Additionally, Impact provides detailed analytics, helping affiliates optimize their campaigns for maximum ROI. Now let's talk about strengths. Impact hosts a wide range of high-quality brands, including exclusive partnerships not available on other networks. The platform's tracking system is highly accurate, with real-time data and multi-device tracking to ensure proper commission attribution. Payments are reliable, with flexible payout options, including PayPal, direct deposit, and wire transfers. Another major advantage is the automated payout system, which reduces delays and ensures affiliates get paid on time. However, there are some weaknesses. The approval process can be strict, as many brands require a solid online presence before accepting affiliates. The interface, while modern, has a learning curve, especially for those new to affiliate marketing. Additionally, Impact's focus on premium brands means that some niches may have fewer available programs compared to broader networks like ShareASale or CJ Affiliate. So, is Impact worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a high-end affiliate network with top-tier brands, advanced tracking, and flexible commission structures, it's one of the best options available. Just be prepared to spend some time learning the platform and securing approvals. Check the links in the description to sign up and start earning today.